Hey everyone! Today, let's talk about something we all do, but nobody really wants to discuss. Pooping. Specifically, why you shouldn't stress about pooping once a day. First off, everyone's body is different. Just because your friend poops 3 times a day doesn't mean you need to. In fact, pooping anywhere from 3 times a day to 3 times a week is totally normal. Think of it like this. Your digestive system is unique to you. It's like your own personal rhythm that keeps you healthy. What's important is regularity. If you're consistent, you're good. Now let's bust some myths. You might have heard that pooping once a day is a must, but that's not true. Doctors say that as long as you feel comfortable and your stool is soft and easy to pass, you're golden. So, how can you keep things moving smoothly? Stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet with plenty of fiber, and get regular exercise. And remember, stress can mess with your gut, so take it easy, relax, and let nature do its thing. In the end, listen to your body. If something feels off, don't hesitate to chat with your doctor. But for most of us, there's no need to worry about hitting that daily poop quota. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more easygoing health tips. Take care and happy pooping!